So I found the front of my cake and I'm going to start decorating. I'm starting at the bottom and I'm trying to get some basic structure in. These beautiful peonies are going to be my focus on this tier. Whenever the flowers I'm dealing with have a slightly more difficult shape, they might have a shorter or more delicate stem, I'm just using wire to help me, just to tie them together. It just gives me a bit more stability when I'm placing them. I'm putting together my bunches as I go, but you can make these ahead of time and you can put them in a Ziploc bag and keep them in a not too cold part of the fridge overnight or for a few hours. If it falls, don't worry, I just want to get the basic shape in and then I can use pins to keep the bunches in place. It's just got to feel relaxed, as if the flowers are kind of growing and they've tumbled down the cake. And you just need to keep on licking. I mean, if it's not working exactly, you could rotate the cake and see if that feels better. I'm using these little test tubes, little florist vases, just to keep anything more delicate or prominent hydrated for longer. I'm putting them at the bottom where I can cover them up with other flowers and they won't be seen in the end result. So I'm using really lovely dark anemones here and beautiful succulents, which are excellent to use because they don't need much water, so they're fine just hanging around for ages. And then I've got some really lovely deep tulips here that are a gorgeous kind of purpley red colour, all really rich colours that work well with the chocolate. I'm just going to wrap this florist tape. It's another way of making the flowers last longer because it just stops them from losing moisture. I'm a real fan of keeping things simple. Make sure that you don't overcomplicate things by buying loads of different flowers and just choose a few and you'll get a modern contemporary look.